So this is in for one of our monthly maintenance cleans. So it's a regular customer, they bring the vehicle in every month and he gets done inside and out. He's a busy man. This was spotless a month ago. Before we start the interior, the first thing I like to do is get all the mats out and all the personal effects. We'll put those to one side so we've got just the inside of the car empty. Fucking dog leads everywhere, money everywhere. First thing I'm going to do, blow it out. I'm going to spray this and then I'm going to put stripes in it. Yeah. So what we're doing now, just doing a first stage hoover. Probably hoover the car 3 times in a clean. You do an initial hit, then you clean all your plastics and all your other bits and pieces. That gets all the other dust up. That'll fall down. We give that a quick once over. Then we do the glass and your final wipe down. And then before you basically shut the door and hand the car back to the customer, we do one last hoover. The next process is going to be interior wipe down. So for that I use a citrus pre-wash. Soak all the plastics, the leather seats, all the plastics, scrub and wipe, get them clean. We're going to go around, pre-soak all the wheels and tyres, and then come round, use the barrel brush, give them a good clean on the barrels, clean the faces and the tyres, rinse it off. People say all the time, how'd you get your wheels looking so clean and shiny? And it is literally just the process and the chemicals that we use. Non-acidic wheel cleaners, pre-soak them, let them dwell for a bit, that always helps. A nice tyre brush to do the walls of your tyres and your wheel faces. And it's just a bit of effort, you know what I mean? You can't just spray something on there, leave it and rinse it off. You only get out what you put in, don't you? Okay, so that's the wheels done, boxed off. Next job, we're going to do wet the whole car down, blow off any loose contaminants before we put the pre-wash on. Next, I go on with a layer of formula in there, which is ceramic snow foam made for ceramic coatings. So on we go with a layer of that to give us a bit of lube before we do our contact wash. Now we're on with the contact wash. Always start on the roof, work your way down the car. Just the way I've always done it. Done the contact wash, removed all the main particles of dirt, and now we're going to go over the top with our blue foam, which is like a ceramic boost, and it helps the paint bead and dry the car nicely. So it's been about 5 minutes now, we've had the blue foam, now we're going to rinse it off. So that's the coating doing what it's supposed to do, which sheets the water up, takes it away, and speeds up the drying process for us. Now all we've got to do is dry her off. Now it's time to just dress the tyres. And that's how we do an RPM maintenance clean. See you later.